Controller connection. Make sure controller is off. Hold down B key. Then press Home key for 2 seconds to boot controller until the LED 3 light flashes quickly. On iPhone, search and select Bluetooth name. Do shout for wireless controller. Once the connection has done, LED 3 light will be keeps on. PS for console settings. Activate as your primary PS4. Turn on. Enable remote play. Turn on. Enable turning on PS4 from network. Open PS Remote Play app. PS Remote Play app setting. Once connected, you can use all controller to control your PS4 console.